Temu versus Shein. Hey guys, in this video, we will compare Temu versus Shein. Temu and Shein offer affordable fashion and different items but differ in shopping experiences. Temu is a growing online marketplace offering a wide variety of products at low prices. It focuses on gamification, frequent promotions, and free shipping, mainly targeting Western markets. Temu offers discounts, a gamified experience, and competitive prices while building trust with its user-friendly interface. On the other hand, Shein is a well-established platform known for affordable and trendy fashion. It offers a wide variety of casual wear and accessories, targeting a young, fashion-forward audience. However, its fast fashion model raises concerns about its environmental impact and labor practices. In my opinion, Shein is best for trendy fashion, while Temu offers a wide range of products at competitive prices. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.